Hello friends, I have already informed you that we have launched Vedic Math successfully. I am Shudeeba Bhattacharya, a successful Vedic Math trainer. Vedic Math improves your children's accuracy in calculation and self-confidence. Nowadays, most of the guardians want their children to learn this ancient yet advanced method of calculation. Vedic Math makes us understand a lot of values of life. By learning this, your children can explore their talent in mathematics. Now, I am just going to show you some applications of Vedic Math that helps you to understand how Vedic Math makes any mathematical calculation easier. So, let's begin. We can add any number, any two numbers within 5 seconds by using this formula named Sankalana Vyavakalana Avyam. I am just showing you how it is possible. Suppose I am taking two random numbers like 4, 4, 3 plus 2, 6, 9. Now, first we have to identify that number which is nearest to its base. Now, what is base? Base is the multiple of 10. 269 is nearest to its base, that is 270. To make this number 270, we have to add 1 here, and to balance it, we have to less 1 here. That means 4, 4, 2 plus 2, 7, 0. It is quite easy. That is 7, 1, 2. It can be calculated within only 5 seconds. These two steps must be calculated in our mind, and we will write the answer directly within 5 seconds. It is too easy, too interesting, and too magical. I can show you another example like three, 1, 6 plus 2, 4, 2. Now, 316 is nearest to its base. 320, we have to add 4 here, and we have to less 4 here. That is 320 plus 238. It is too easy. That is 558. It is also calculated within 5 seconds. By using this sutra, Nikhilam Navadascharamam Dasataha, we can subtract or multiply any number. It means Nikhilam Navadascharamam Dasataha means all from 9, last from 10. I am giving an example like 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 minus 4, 3, 9, 6, 5. We can write the answer within 2 to 3 seconds, like how can I write? I just applied this formula, all from 9, last from 10. I just subtract all these numbers from 9 and the last number from 10. 5 and 4 9, 3 and 6 9, 9 and 0 9, 6 and 3 9, 5 and 5 10. I just write on this way. It is very easy, it is magical. Some of the students wherever showing on in the classes, other students think that it may be some magic, and they get the interest. I can show how it works for multiplication also. Random number like 4, 3, 5, 9, 6 multiplied by 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. The answer must be you can check it on your mobile also. How I wrote this? I just put these numbers same and the last number, just subtract 1 from the last number, and here I just subtract these numbers from 9 and the last number from 10, and the answer is here. All the calculation must be calculated in mind. Just applying this formula, nothing else. It is very easy, very interesting and magical also. Here I can take an example of square. Suppose the number is 25. I am going to square it. I just squared the last number, that is 25. 5 5s are 25. And just multiply 2 with its successor, that is 3. 2 times 3 equals to 6. That is the answer. I can take another example. Some bigger number, just like that is 25 and 500, remaining 500. We have to multiply 500 with its successor, that is 501. 501 and 0 is 0. 501 and 0 is 0. 501 and 5 is 5025. That is the answer. It takes just 5 seconds. It is too easy and interesting and magical. And we have more and more formulas and tricks which will be applied to solve the sums. Any type of sums, whatever it is, arithmetic or algebra or anything. So we can say that Vedmath can make any mathematical calculation more easier. Thank you. So friends, here I showed you 4 different types of Vedic Sutras. And I know you people are feeling excited and want to know deeper about this course. Don't worry, here is my number on the screen. Please contact me as soon as possible and get exciting offers on course fees. Don't miss that golden opportunity. I hope you will call me very soon. Thank you so much.